Precision Door, a name you can trust.
Training is the most important thing here at Precision Garage Door. That is why we have a garage that we have replicated here in our warehouse where we can train real-life situations that happen out in the field. We'll do repairs here for at least a month with a master technician.
Climb up there, wrap it back around the drum.
They experience everything that real-life situations have to offer, from broken springs, broken cables, damaged rollers, damaged panels.
So this guy's gonna be really hot. Warm is when it lifts up a little bit, hot is when it rockets up. So we have the wrong springs up there and we're gonna figure out how to fix it. So go ahead and take that clamp off up there. You can see the difference between hot and warm. Now just hold on to it. You're gonna need both hands. Okay. So it stays open. There's no way it's staying closed, right? It's hard, right? So that's a hot door, okay? Warm is when it comes up a little bit, hot is when it rockets up. Wrong springs.
We also have all kinds of garage door openers here, everything from the latest garage door opener, and we also like to train specifically on openers where we see the most problems out in the field. At that point, the training is not over. That is when we send them out into the field with a master technician for approximately another 2 months. That is where they experience real-life situations, dealing with the customers, and that is why we have the utmost confidence that our technicians can handle anything. They're the most experienced, and by the time they get in the field, they are 100% competent.
Precision Door Service, a name you can trust.